Hey, what's up? It's Seafood Jordan. And you know what time it is? It's cold and flu season. But did you know that a tiny beneficial bacterium could make a world of difference to your health? It's called Lactobacillus reuteri. So instead of reaching for those over the counter medications you can find in the store that can mess up your health or gut bacteria, let me tell you in just a bit on how you can make some awesome probiotic packed yogurt. So, what is L-Reuteri? It's a naturally occurring bacterium that's in our intestines. It's normally passed on through our mother's breast milk, but a huge part of the population ends up not allowing it to thrive, whether it's poor diet or medications or other reasons that it may be killed off over time. But it's part of a group of probiotics called keystone probiotics or keystone bacteria, and it can have profound benefits on your gut health and your overall wellness. So one of the most known well benefits of L-Reuteri is the ability to support digestive health. And it can balance your gut microbiome and improve your digestion, reduce symptoms like bloating, gas, and even constipation. But it doesn't stop there. So L-Reuteri has also been shown to boost your immune system. It basically promotes the growth of beneficial bacteria, reduces the growth of harmful bacteria, and helps protect you from infections and strengthens your body's defenses. Did you know it also might be good for your heart? There are many studies that suggest that this probiotic can help lower your levels of LDL cholesterol and your triglycerides, which are both linked to heart disease. By improving your cholesterol profile, it can support a healthier cardiovascular system, basically. But there's another surprising benefit, which many people tend to enjoy, and some people it doesn't have any effect on them at all, but it's the ability to promote healthier skin. There's a lot of research that is suggesting that this probiotic can help reduce the inflammation associated with skin conditions like acne and eczema and rosacea. By calming the immune response in the skin, it might help you achieve a clearer, nicer, brighter complexion. It also can help you with sleep troubles. It may improve your sleep quality. It could impact or have a positive impact on regulating the stress hormones like cortisol, which can lead to better, more restful sleep, as well as burning stubborn body fat. But lastly, before I get into this amazing recipe for you, it's been shown to have promise in supporting mental health. There are many studies that indicate this probiotic might have a mood boosting effect because of the oxytocin, and it reduces symptoms of anxiety and depression. This is likely due to its ability to influence the gut-brain axis, which is like the connection between your brain and your gut. You could kind of consider your gut to be your second brain, or you can even consider it to be your first brain. But you can find it in a lot of fermented foods, like of yogurt, of course, kefir and sauerkraut, or kefir if you want to call it that. And if you want a more concentrated dose, I'm going to give you this recipe. It's going to be 4 ingredients. It's going to be very simple to make. You can make it in huge batches and enjoy with berries or whatever you want. And let's get to it. I want to show you how you can make a natural way to boost your gut health and a delicious way as well. Come with me.
All right, so this recipe is pretty easy. There are only 4 ingredients. The first one being organic inulin powder. You can pick this up on Amazon. This is going to be the star of the show. This is called BioGaia. This is actually the gut bacteria here. Probiotic, these are in tablets. You're going to need 1 quart of half and half, and you're going to need some whole milk. So the first thing you're going to need is your inulin powder. You're going to need 2 tablespoons. Then you're going to take 10 of these capsules here, or actually they're tablets, and you're going to crush them up. You can use a mortar and pestle or a spoon in a bowl. Crush them up real fine with your inulin powder, and then pour in a couple tablespoons of your milk or your half and half and make a paste. Once you make that paste, you're going to put that into your mixture. So what I did here to get a head start is I heated up the milk and the half and half to 100 degrees. You don't want to get any hotter than that because that's going to kill off your probiotics. So I have my mixture here in my crock pot, and since my crock pot doesn't have a way to control the exact temperature, I actually have had this thermostat for a while and I've set it to be at 100 degrees. So right now it's about 98 because I just pulled it off the stove, but you can give your probiotic a head start if you heat it to 100 degrees on your stove. There are also yogurt makers on Amazon, places like that you can get. You just need a way to control your temperature. You want to keep it between 100 degrees and no higher than 108 degrees. We're going to let this sit for a total of 36 hours, so set your alarm and we'll come back and check on it. All right, it's been 36 hours, plus I put this back into the refrigerator for about 3 hours to stop the fermenting process and also to solidify and have it set. And let's have a look to see how it turned out. Oh yeah. Check this out. Better than the stuff that you can buy in the store. Has a slight sour taste like yogurt, but also a little sweet. Amazing for your gut health.